இன்னைக்கு வந்து இன்னைக்கு ஏன் நம்ம இந்த ப்ரெஸ் கான்ஃபரன்ஸை நான் கூப்பிட்டுருக்கோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா, நம்ம வந்து ஒரு ஸ்டேட் பற்றி பேச போகிறோம் மலேசியாவில். அந்த ஸ்டேட் வந்து செலங்கோர். ஸோ ரொம்ப பேர் வந்து செலங்கோர்னா எங்கே இருக்குன்னு யாருக்கும் தெரியாது. அதனால அவங்க வந்து இந்த வருஷம் வந்து விசிட் மலேசியா, ஸோ மலேசியா சுற்றுலா வருஷம் இந்த வருஷம். அதனால இவங்க அந்த செலங்கோர் ஸ்டேட்லேருந்து இங்கே வந்திருக்காங்க அதை பற்றி பேசுறதுக்கு. டைரக்டர் டூரிசம் மலேசியா டைரக்டர் இவங்க வந்து மேடம் வந்து ஃப்ரம் தி செலங்கோர் ஸ்டேட் கவர்மெண்ட். ஓகே,
Selangor State Governor.
Okay.
All our members of media for being with us for this Selangor presentation this morning, and I really appreciate your attendance here. And this is, as I mentioned in my speech just now, this is my first ever event with my speech in this event. So as a new director for Tourism Malaysia Chennai, I really welcome Tourism Selangor to be part of the program today. And obviously Selangor has tourists from India to discover. And of course my presence here in Chennai, covering South India and Sri Lanka, and I really appreciate all the members of media's cooperation. Please.
Thank you, Mr. Razaidi, Mr. Lungi, and the rest of the media. First of all, I would like to thank you, and we would like to express our appreciations to all the media that who joining us for today. So, as per my speech earlier, actually for the start 2020, this is our first product presentations that we have done for the Indian market, and Chennai is actually our first city that we come over. And of course after this we will be joining scientists together with Tourism Malaysia, and of course our mission is actually to increase the numbers of the tourists from India, especially for the southern region, and also as I mentioned earlier, India is actually one of the major contributors in terms of tourist arrival to Selangor, and to the state also it's economic growth with a total of the 13.2 billion to receive in 2018. So and as per our top 10 tourist arrival, India is recorded as the number three in to Selangor, and actually we are looking forward to work together with Tourism Malaysia, with the main associations of travel agents in Chennai, and we also have made some earlier discussion with Tourism Malaysia that we would like to host a fan trip, especially for the media, to come over to Selangor and to experience yourself what Selangor has to offer. So we are planning to have a specific fan trip only for the media, so that you can have more information, you can experience yourself what we have to offer, and perhaps we would like to have your cooperation in terms of do the coverage for Selangor, and like I said, we are looking forward to see the numbers increase as we targeted about compared to 2019. We are looking for the increase by 5%, the numbers of tourists from India to come to Selangor.